Hey there! If you've just got this Anker Soundcore R50i NC TWS and you're wondering how you can use it, what's the installation process, how you can charge it, how to play, pause, control volume, activate ANC, how to take calls, what customization options are possible, even how to perform some general troubleshooting like reset, we have made this beginner's tutorial to show you the overall usage with or without the Soundcore app. So right after unboxing, first just open up the charging case and simply lift the buds and rest it inside the box once again. Make sure the LED is turned on. That means they are connected with the charging case. Now to take into pairing mode, redirect yourself to the Bluetooth settings and simply take out the buds from the charging case. To first time pair, it'll go automatically into pairing mode when you are first time pairing it with any device. When the device name shows up, just tap on the name. If there is an pairing pop-up, like on Android device, you usually get it, just tap on pair. If the name is not showing up, if you want to take it into pairing mode to pair it with any other device, you can also manually take it into pairing mode. For that, just press and hold over the touch surface right on the Soundcore icon for just 3 seconds. It'll go into pairing mode. Right after pairing, you can check the bud's battery level right from your Bluetooth section. And also if you enter the settings, you can make sure if it's selected for music or phone calls or both. Now the pairing is done, you went straight for music. So when there is music, if you tap twice on your right earbud, it'll pause and play the music. If you double tap on your left earbud, you can skip forward to the next track. Now when there is a call, by double tapping on your right earbud, you can take and also end the call. If you don't want to take that incoming call, press and hold on any of the bud surface will reject the call. After using it for a while, you might be thinking of charging the device. So first of all, when you keep the buds inside the charging case, the case will charge the buds. Now to charge the charging case itself, since it's a Type-C port, just go ahead and use any Type-C cable to charge the charging case. Now after using it for a while, if you stumble onto minor connection issues, you can reset your R50i. For that, take out the buds, make sure they have enough charge to perform the reset process. Just press and hold over the same touch surface we have shown you earlier in this video and keep holding it down for 10 seconds. And that's it, the reset is complete. You can now repair it with any device you want. Now apart from all this, you can also customize a lot of options and explore them if you download the Soundcore app. After the install is complete, just go ahead, follow the prompts to set it up. And when you're in this section, just tap on this plus sign to add device. If your Soundcore buds are out of the box and connected to device, the name will show up. Just tap on it to connect it with the Soundcore app. First of all, from this app dashboard, you can check out the individual battery level for both your left and right buds. And as you can see from here, you can change the mode from ANC to normal to transparency. You can also check out some modes and set different types of modes for different types of music, whatever you're playing right then and there. And as you can see, you can also create custom equalizer that best suits your ear. In touch control options, for example, you can assign volume control on both of your earbuds. As you can see, the call taking options are unchangeable. And if you don't like the changes you've made, you want to go back to the original one, you can reset it from here as well. Apart from that, now from the app dashboard, if you tap on this wheel icon or settings, first of all, you can go for a fit test. Just wear your earbuds, tap on earbuds in position and start the test to see if the ear tips are suitable for your ear canal. And then if needed, you can change the ear tips with any of the spare ones that came with the box. Apart from that, you can enable or disable the prompt tone for touch or low battery, activate dual connection if you want to use it for more than one device. Also, you can check out the auto power off option, and after the selected time period, the earbuds will automatically turn off. You can also find the device if one of the earbuds or both of them are lost in the same Bluetooth range by tapping on this play button, and it'll play music through your earbuds. Lastly, if you want, you can update your earbuds firmware right from here. There is a cool feature that comes with this charging case, and that is you can take out the back of the charging case and then use it as your device stand. At the end of the day, when you're done using your R50i, you can keep them inside the charging case to save battery and so that they can charge. And then you can just close the lid to protect it from dust and debris. And that's pretty much how you can use your Anker Soundcore R50i NC. Thanks for watching.